Today we're making incredibly juicy and delicious dolma using my grandmother's recipe. This dolma is tender, flavorful, and absolutely irresistible. My family clears the plate within minutes every time I make it. For this recipe, you'll need ground lamb or ground beef. I'm using beef. You'll also need canned grape leaves, 1 medium onion, 5 garlic cloves, cooked rice, 1 egg, salt, black pepper, cumin, coriander, and fresh cilantro. For 1 pound of meat, I add about 1 cup of cooked rice. Finely dice the onion and mince the garlic as small as possible. Add everything into the meat mixture. Now add the egg, salt, pepper, cumin, coriander, and chopped cilantro. Mix everything very well so the spices and ingredients are evenly combined. If you're using fresh grape leaves, pour boiling water over them and let them sit for about 5 minutes to soften. Since I'm using canned grape leaves, I can use them right away. Take 1 grape leaf and trim off the thick stem if needed. Place a small amount of filling in the center, shape it into a little roll, and wrap it tightly as shown in the video. If the leaves are too small or thin, you can use 2 leaves together. Continue wrapping until all the filling is used. This amount usually makes around 35 to 40 pieces of dolma. Now take a deep pot or sauté pan. Line the bottom with a few grape leaves, then arrange all the rolled dolma tightly inside. Sprinkle a little cumin, salt, and black pepper on top. Add 2 bay leaves and some fresh cilantro. Pour in beef broth, but do not completely cover the dolma with liquid. Place the pot over high heat. Once you see the first bubbles, cover with a lid, reduce the heat to very low, and let it slowly simmer for about 2 hours. While the dolma is cooking, let's make the sauce. In a bowl, combine 3 tablespoons of sour cream and about the same amount of kefir. Add salt, black pepper, chopped cilantro, and 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic. Mix everything well and let the sauce sit so the flavors can blend together. After 2 hours, the dolma is ready. It becomes incredibly tender, juicy, and full of flavor. Serve it hot with the garlic sauce on the side for dipping. It is absolutely amazing. Give this recipe a try. I'm sure you and your family will love it.